Hello, fellow APN 620 classmates. My name is Sophia Flesh. I currently reside and am from Plymouth, Michigan. Family is something that is extremely important to me. I have one younger brother shown in the picture on the left here, but we only make up 2 out of our 19 grandchildren on my mother's side alone. My educational background includes graduating with a Bachelor of Science in Dietetics from Michigan State University. I love the Big Ten atmosphere and I really liked going to all the football games. After my time at MSU, I completed my dietetic internship with Aramark and moved to Chicago, Illinois. After graduating from my dietetic internship, I passed the RD exam. Now, professionally, I currently work for Aramark Correctional Services as their East Region Nutrition and Operational Support Services Manager. I create menus and recipes, compose diet memos and meal patterns, and work heavily with our supply chain and procurement teams. In the past, I have also worked as a nutrition coach for Ava, which is a nutrition counseling app. This aligns with my professional goals of starting my own nutrition consultant business, where I would use my RDN credentials and future master's degree to consult and advise individuals, restaurants, businesses, etc., who are looking for ways to incorporate nutrition, sustainability, or overall health and wellness into their life or business plans. Personally, my hobbies include traveling, cooking, reading, and hiking. Right now, I am cooking my way through the plant-based cookbook called Love and Lemons Every Day, which is shown on the slide. And I just completed an 8-day backpacking trip with my boyfriend in the Grand Tetons. I look forward to getting to know everyone throughout the course. Thanks for listening.